What is going on, everyone? Today brings us to the very first derby up in Kalkaska, Michigan. Our first derby we are attending in Kalkaska, Michigan for the team derby and a couple other classes, bone stock, gut and go derby. Here's the team derby cars. They got them all in the infield on the track. We're going to give a little walkthrough on all of them. Can't really go in between them because they got them bunched together, but we're going to give a little roundy round of them. Weather is perfect for this.
All right, everybody, so just a heads up, the concession stand is open. It is in the front door of the Civic Center over here. Also, what was that? Only through the window, okay. And also, if you want to get into the single man gut and go at the end of the show, $10 raffle tickets at the registration trailer. There's a raffle going on to get yourself into a front wheel drive gut and go car. If you are interested, make sure to go over to the registration trailer and drop $10 to put your name in the hat and get a chance.
A lot of luminas. Lot of luminas. Yep, they're running big car stock demo derby, front wheel drive stock demo derby, and two-man team front wheel drive demo derby. It's all derby today, no racing. We got our spot right there. Thanks for the Kaiser boys for setting the spot up for us to be able to record it for you. Pretty nice looking cars out here. Not bad, not bad. It's going. These guys are definitely ready to rock and roll. We're gonna go over here to the big cars. They got some big cars over here, and front wheel drive gut and go. One van, I think two vans, but I only see one here right now. There's one of the Kaisers, Brandon Kaisers, big car. A lot of these look like they were from last year. They brought them back out to finish them off. I believe this one is from the Thumb area, down there that way. This one I think was ran in Bay County, the Halloween race. One. Yeah, that was a stock. Kaiser boys.
How's it going, man?
Good, you?
Another day. Hey.
Yeah.
You playing baseball now?
Do I?
Getting strikes and stuff, right?
Yeah.
What's up with that, man? Somebody complaining?
Yeah. It's somebody, I got a hater.
The worst part is you'll never find out who.
Oh, I know who it is, but I'm not.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Well, I mean, YouTube will never tell you.
No, but I just have to go to the mark that was on it, and I found out who it is. So.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's
Is what it is, right?
Yeah, I mean, I'm more professional, so I'm just leaving it at that. So, yeah,
It's great to see you.
I recognized that car when you came in.
Yeah.
It has pipes now, and it didn't at Bay County. It didn't. But
We've been,
put another motor in her,
Nope,
or
same motor. I just got rid of the manifolds, keep away from the starter.
okay.
And I want to finish this car tonight.
Yeah.
That's what I said in Bay City too.
I know.
Hopefully tonight it happens.
Yeah,
You know?
you got some pretty stout ones you're gonna be going
That's
up
what I mean.
against
At
too.
least you got some.
Yeah, there's some good iron right here.
I mean, yeah, nothing's really.
No,
I
no.
mean, everything's pretty solid.
Yeah.
I'm digging
Oh
it.
yeah.
For a stock show,
Yes.
you know,
That's a pretty hard card you got though.
race number 4.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
Yep. Oh, we got a van behind you, so
All right.
watch out there. Hey, good luck, man. Kaisers. These are all Kaisers here. We know what that stands for, which is pretty cool. They told us what that was for, and we definitely support it. It's clean cars, man. Clean cars. Check out that decal on there. That's pretty awesome. It's even got Jory Magnus's RIP on there. Rest in peace. Pretty good. Pretty good. Couple vans. Well, there you go, guys. It's a little short video, prelude video, but it looks to be one heck of a show up here in Kalkaska, Michigan, for the very first derby of the season for us to be attending. Stay tuned for all the videos, and we look forward to seeing you in the coming months. Keep rocking that thunder in 2022.